donker web karakters, Rian Trollip. So Greg starts to investigate and looking for the baker when he comes across a photo of his dad and another guy called Rian Trollip. And he thinks that this guy might be the baker, is hy die baker. Why does he think this? Want hy's 'n dokter en hy het ook by Plus Ultra Med gewerk. Remember the company of Doc Pienaar. He realized that he was part of that. But then he also found out that Rian Trollip died. Hy's oorlede in sy matriekjaar. In his matric year, he died. It was posted, the newspapers posted about it, and he found a photo of his funeral, and both his dad and Doc Pienaar were at the funeral. Greg starts to think back, and he remembers seeing Rian Trollip and his wife at his house before, by 'n partytjie wat sy ma gehou het. He remembers Rian Trollip and his wife being at this party and dancing together. For some reason, John, his brother, was freaked out by Rian Trollip. And he remembers John telling Greg that, het jy sy hande gesien? Sulke knoppe en are. Dis asof jy die dooie mens nog aan sy hande kan ruik. So, he commented on his hands saying, it is as if you can still smell the dead person that he last worked on. So Greg decides to phone his wife. He found her number. And he would just like to get some information about Rian Trollip and if she might think that he was the baker. However, it wasn't any help. She was drunk and she didn't give him any information. However, a few days later, he receives a package and he thinks it is from Rian Trollip's wife. Dit is 'n gebrande notaboek, so 'n burnt notebook, with a note that says, miskien sal dit jou help om die baker op te spoor. Maybe this will help you to find the baker. So, let's recap. What do we know about his childhood, sy kinderjare? So, hy is Sebastian Stadler, die baker se neef. He is his cousin. Sy ouers is oorlede, so his parents died. And when they died, he went to live with Sebastian and his parents. So hy het groot geword op die plaas uit Skotkraal. And as we know from the baker's video, the baker's dad het hulle mishandel. He abused and he would beat the two of them. So ons weet dat hy 'n dokter is en hy het ook gewerk by Project Coast en Project Nursery Rhyme. He was scouted. Sebastian het hom gewerf. He got him to work there with them. However, he didn't know exactly what they were doing. But when he found out what they were doing at Project Nursery Rhyme about the vaccine and everything that they planned, toe hy besluit om polisie toe te gaan. He decided to go to the police. Die baker het toe kinderpornografie geplant op sy rekenaar. And because of that, toe sy tronk toe. He went to jail. And in die tronk het hy homself gehang in sy sel. So he committed suicide. Hy het selfmoord gepleeg. He hanged himself in his cell. However, that was not the case. That wasn't true. Die baker het iemand gekry om dit te doen. The baker had him killed in his jail cell.
Okay guys, I hope that this helped you. Click below here where I landed to check out the playlist. Goodbye.